Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm going to be telling you about Gina the Seamstress. Now Gina is working to price her new line of summer dresses today. She's trying to find a quick way to price them, but doesn't really know where to start. She knows that she wants them to cost more than $10 each, but less than $25 each. Let's use the RANDBETWEEN function to help her out with her pricing. Alright, so here is her spreadsheet showing the column for dresses, which shows the dress design number, the dollars, and the cents. So we're going to try and help her figure out what the dollar amount is going to be and what the cent amount is going to be for her new dress designs for her summer line. Now, over in the other section here, you can see RANDBETWEEN 1025 and RANDBETWEEN 13 and 49. So what those are is those are the functions that we're going to be using for the dollar and cent columns. It's going to select a random number between the two numbers we select. So for the dollars, let's go ahead and type in the equal symbol because that's how functions and formulas start, and type in RANDBETWEEN, select that. Gina already has said that she specifically wants the dresses to be priced between $10 and $25. So we know that the lowest, or the bottom number, as you can see here, the RANDBETWEEN gives bottom and top, the bottom number or the lowest number is going to be 10, comma, and that closes out selecting the bottom number. Now we're going to move on to the top number, or the highest number. She wants the highest dress price for her summer line to be 25. So we're going to select 25 and type in that last parenthesis and now hit enter. Now it's automatically selected a random number between 10 and 25. Now I'm going to double click this little square here and that'll drag it down to the rest of her designs. You can see that it actually changed at that point. If you select all of these, you can tell that sometimes they will change, and that's because they're actually reprogramming the formula. So if you type in the formula and then you select the formula bar and press enter again, they'll all change. So if for some reason the numbers that came up, Gina wasn't super happy with them, she could just select into the formula bar up here, press enter again, and all the numbers would update once more to random numbers between 10 and 25. Now that's all set because all of them are random numbers between 10 and 25, but we don't have the cents added just yet. So we're going to do the same thing again, equal RANDBETWEEN, but this time we're going to select the bottom number of 13 and the top number of 49. And then press enter and double click that down. You can see again the dollars are changing. So that's because the formula is updating and still giving random numbers between that original number that was given. So now you can see everything is priced here according to the parameters that we provided. Random numbers for the dollar column between 10 and 25, and random numbers for the cent column between 13 and 49. Now what's so useful about this is once she does have them go to numbers that she's comfortable with, she can actually copy both of these columns and paste them with values. I have a link in the description below showing how to do that with Nathan the Novice. Now that Gina was able to use this RANDBETWEEN function, she has a very simple and fast way to price out her items according to the general parameters that she set without spending too much time thinking through the exact numbers that she wants to give as the dollar or cent pricing for each of her items. This saves her a lot of time and really simplifies the process. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below, and until next time, have fun excelling!